Hello everyone, welcome to Diva Classes. This is Divya Vadvani and today we'll be solving the questions that is the MCQs of ISC Commerce class 12 for their examinations 2026 examinations and we'll be taking the approach from easy to difficult जिसमें सबसे पहले हम लोग कुछ basic MCQ solve करेंगे of few topics and then we will move towards the bigger difficult ones. Okay, difficult MCQs, difficult case studies, क्योंकि अब usually जो question papers बनते हैं वो ऐसे ही बनते हैं जिसमें आपकी हर एक question में द MCQs में द केस स्टडीज़ आर इन्वॉल्व. तो वील बी टेकिंग द अप्रोच फ्रॉम ईजी टू डिफ़िकल्ट सो दैट आपको कॉन्सेप्चुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग भी हो जाए एंड द टाइम यू सिट इन द एग्जामिनेशन हॉल यू डोंट फील अफ्रेड ऑफ सॉल्विंग द केस स्टडीज़. ओके, सो फर्स्ट इज बिजनेस एनवायरमेंट टॉपिक, जिसमें सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन कहता है दैट विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ फीचर ऑफ बिजनेस एनवायरमेंट. तो अनसर्टेनिटी इज देयर, complexity is there, interdependence is there, but stability is not there. It is unstable environment. Okay, instability means the environment जो है वो क्योंकि political conditions से होती हैं, political environment है, तो we can understand कि instability is also there because political environment is also involved into it, and political environment includes both stability, law and order, and instability. And then under which environmental effect were IBM and Coca-Cola forced to leave India? So it is political environment. Then next is it is not legal, economic or social. Then next one, with the introduction of photostat machines in the market, the carbon paper industry was adversely affected. Which dimension of business environment is involved in this case? So it will be technological environment, that is B, and this is C. Technological environment, why? Because whenever you are changing from an analog watch to a digital watch, then also it is a technological environment. Okay, something is that is related to change in the technology. Then business environment does not have the following characteristic. So uncertainty is there, relativity is there, complexity is there, employees is not a characteristic. Okay, which of the following indicates the importance of business environment? Identification of opportunities and threats, yes. Improvement in performance, yes. Coping with rapid changes, yes. And all of the above. So it will be the all of the above is the answer. Then the term means the totality of all individuals, institutions and other forces that are outside a business. Hence, just because of the definition it will be considered as business environment. Otherwise business environment includes both internal as well as external forces जो business को surround करते हैं और उसको affect भी करते हैं. Then popularity of yoga as a result of COVID relates to legal, political, social or technological. It is related to social environment because whenever popularity of yoga is related to the people here, ठीक, made it popular. तो यहाँ पर जब जैसे जो बात आती है वो पीपल की आती है तो इट विल बी रिलेटेड टू सोशल एनवायरनमेंट. Then name the environment consisting of customers, competitions or competitors, investors and suppliers. So it will be the external factors of micro environment. Internal factors जिसमें आते हैं corporate culture, the power structure, top management, company policies. So these are internal. This is external factors of micro environment. Macro environment includes competitors, top management policies, suppliers or economic environment. Then specific mindset, attitudes of elected government representatives hold business towards business is called economic, social, political or cultural. So it will be considered as political whenever it is related to because यहाँ पर हम नॉर्मल कस्टमर्स की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, ठीक. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट हियर एज गवर्नमेंट. तो जब गवर्नमेंट की बात होती है इट विल ऑटोमेटिकली बी पॉलिटिकल एनवायरनमेंट. देन थ्रेट्स टू लॉ एंड ऑर्डर is an example of economic, political, social or legal. So it will again be political environment because economic stability or stable law and order is a part of political order. ठीक, rules and regulations will be legal. Then which of the following is included in micro environment of business? Customers, economic, social, or cultural, तो it will be customers, that is a part of external environment of micro environment. Then which of the following is an inherent limitation or weakness of the firm? So this is increasing competition is an opportunity. ठीक. Inexperienced staff is a inherent weakness, that is A, B, C and D. Then political corruption is again a threat, and changes in fiscal policy may be negative, can also be considered as a threat. ठीक, that is again the outside of the organization. If positive, अगर ये positive है then it will be opportunity, but usually it is considered as negative. Then which one of is a specific force of a garment manufacturing company जो इसको मतलब affect करेगी. ठीक है, तो it will be change in law, government, fashion और none of the above, तो it will be change in fashion. Then dash is not an element of social environment, birth and death rate, life expectancy, constitution, population shifts. So it will be constitution of the country, that is a part of legal environment. The constitution means जहाँ तक वो law से related है, rules regulations से related है, it will be considered as a legal environment. Then which of the following is a component of economic environment of the business? So birth and death rate is social, rate of savings and investment is economical, concern with quality of life is social, government intervention is business is political, so it will be rates of savings and investment. Then which of the following is an example of social environment of the business? This is legal, this is political, this is social and this is economic. So it will be what is our social environment, hence it is composition of family. Then which of the following is not an element of economic environment? Interest rate is there, inflation rate is there, stock market is there, क्या नहीं है? So this is the answer, this is the correct answer. Then which environment prohibits advertisement of alcoholic beverages? That is legal environment, not social, technological or political. Banking sector reforms have led to better services. This is an example of which type of component? So it will be considered as economic environment. जब हमसे एक डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा कि जब कैश टू यूपीआई अगर वो शिफ्ट हो रहा है देन इट विल बी कंसिडर्ड एज टेक्नोलॉजिकल, बिकॉज वहाँ पर जो पीपल हैं दैट आर शिफ्टिंग मोर टुवर्ड्स टेक्नोलॉजी. Okay, right now it will be economic. Then financing, the type of capital which is termed as risk capital is not debentures, bonds, preference shares, it is equity shares. A company can raise fixed capital in the form of obviously equity shares. These are short term sources, so fixed capital is long term, and hence it will be equity shares. The portion of capital which changes its form is known as working capital. Dash has a lock-in period of 3 years, so it will directly be sweat equity shares. This I have explained you जब हमने आपको shares वाला chapter पढ़ाया था, that is financing. तो I explained you also, और ये sample question paper में भी पूछा गया है, one of the sample question papers of this commerce council issued. ठीक. Type of debenture which can be converted into equity shares is known as convertible debentures. Then working capital has two concepts, gross and net. Then तो gross वाला क्या होता है जिसमें only current assets are there, और net होता है जिसमें current assets minus current liabilities is there. ओके ये बहुत इजी सी चीज़ है एंड दिस इज़ योर सिलेबस और ये हो सकता है कि आपसे डायरेक्टली क्वेश्चंस पूछ लिए जाए. देन कैपिटल नीडेड एट द कमेंसमेंट ऑफ द बिजनेस इज टेम्पररी, परमानेंट, सीजनल और इनिशियल. तो इट विल बी इनिशियल वर्किंग कैपिटल दैट इज रिक्वायर्ड एट द starting of the business. Then finance for a business is needed for long term, medium term, short term, all of the above. Owners funds do not include what? तो equity shares, ये तीनों चीज़ें जो होती हैं वो owned funds होते हैं. This is borrowed funds. Hence it is borrowed funds, that is debentures. ठीक. एंड आई बी सेंडिंग यू दिस डॉक्यूमेंट ऑन टेलीग्राम. आप उस वहाँ से इसको स्क्रॉल करके मतलब यू कैन जस्ट रीड इट आउट आफ्टर जस्ट बिफोर द एग्ज़ाम से एक बार फिर से इस पूरे डॉक्यूमेंट को रीड कर लेना सो दैट एनी कन्फ्यूजन एक बार के लिए ये सारी चीज़ें जो है रिवाइज हो जाएंगी. फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग हेल्प्स टू ब्रिज द गैप बिटवीन प्रोडक्शन एंड परचेजेस, प्रोडक्शन एंड सेल्स. दिस इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट. ये आपका वन ऑफ द CFQ क्वेश्चंस भी है. ओके. Then a fixed asset should generally be financed through a long-term liability because of the principle of matching concept. कि थोड़ा longer period के लिए रहेगा, otherwise short term से अगर if you will be financing it तो it will be a trouble. Then current assets of a business firm should be financed through current liabilities long term. It can be financed through both long term and short term liabilities. Short term इसलिए because current assets है and if you want जैसे कुछ raw materials है तो हमेशा it is required in the business. Okay, तो working capital अगर आपको चाहिए तो permanent working capital चाहिए मतलब some amount of capital that is always in the business, उसके लिए आप long term liabilities का use कर सकते हो. Dash is of utmost importance to avoid the problem of shortage and surplus of funds. So it is financial planning. Okay. Then what are the sources of finance for meeting fixed capital requirements? Is it equity and preference shares, debentures, retained earnings? Sources of finance for meeting fixed capital requirements, it is all of the above. ठीक, बिकॉज लॉन्ग पीरियड के लिए होते हैं सारी चीज़ें. ग्रॉस वर्किंग कैपिटल इंक्लूड्स नेट वर्किंग कैपिटल, एक्सक्लूड्स नेट वर्किंग कैपिटल, इंक्लूड्स फिक्स्ड कैपिटल, नन ऑफ द अबव. इट विल बी इट इंक्लूड्स नेट वर्किंग कैपिटल बिकॉज ऑलरेडी इट इज़ करेंट एसेट्स. ठीक, तो करेंट एसेट्स इसका भी हिस्सा होता है. देन अ लार्ज फर्म ट्रेडिंग इन बिस्किट्स requires a small amount of working capital. It will not require a large amount of working capital. Reason behind कि अगर एक large firm trading in business होता, अगर ये manufacturing होती then it would require large working capital. Okay, but just because it will require a small amount of working capital. A trader wants to make an electronic transfer of funds through NEFT. He does not have a bank account. What is the minimum amount he can transfer? तो it is 50,000. बुक में हो सकता है, older books में it is written as 49,000 या 49,999, but जो correct answer है that is 50 because ये आपके council issued document का answer है. Okay, then XYZ Limited Company, a manufacturing company, was incorporated on 1st April 2020. It wants to raise long-term sources of capital. What would it raise the fund through? Just because it is a public limited company, so it can issue it through cash credit, discounting of bills of exchange, bank overdraft? No, through shares and debentures. Then XYZ Limited Company is in urgent need of short-term funds. It borrows from Telot Public Limited Funds for 6 months. This short-term way of raising finance is known as inter-deposits, inter-corporate deposits, जिनको हम ICDs भी बोलते हैं. That is loan from firm टू फर्म. एक फर्म से जब दूसरी फर्म लोन लेती है तब हम उसको इंटर कॉर्पोरेट डिपॉजिट्स बोलते हैं. a company borrowing from another company. ठीक. A company retains a part of its net profits and reinvests the same in the business. This is considered as a company retains a part of its net profits and reinvests the same. Yes, so it is known as retained earnings, that is a part of net profits of the company. Okay, then that is also known as plugging back of profits. Then we'll move towards a part of management. Which of the following is not a function of management? So planning is there, staffing is there, controlling is there, cooperation is not a function of management. Management is considered as art and science, a science, neither A or B. So it will be considered as both art as well as science. Then the elements or functions of management include planning, organizing, directing and controlling. That is all of the above. Management is called a process because it is applicable to manufacturing process. No, it is relevant to social organizations. No, it involves a series of functions. What functions? Planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. Okay, then middle management consist of departmental managers, yes, जिसमें finance manager, sales manager, production manager. Then motivates lower management, yes. Transmits orders or downwards, yes. So it will be all of the above. Management as a science is perfection through practice, no, ये तो art हो जाएगा. Multidisciplinary integrating force, ये दोनों तो उनके features हैं लेकिन फीचर्स हैं. ठीक, तो मैनेजमेंट एज अ साइंस इज अ सिस्टमेटाइज बॉडी ऑफ नॉलेज एंड मैनेजमेंट एज अ डिसिप्लिन इज ऑल्सो अ सिस्टमेटाइज बॉडी ऑफ नॉलेज. मैनेजमेंट ऑफ एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्राइव्स टू अचीव डिफरेंट social objectives such as profit, expansion, modernization and pollution free environment. तो social objective में it will be pollution free environment. Since management adapts itself to the changing environment, it is known as continuous, pervasive, intangible. It is known as dynamic process. A company is using environmental friendly methods of production. Identify the objective that is using here or that is being achieved, that is social environment. What is not an element of management? So cooperation is not an element of management. Principles of management are universal, absolute laws, flexible और behavioral. तो what are not मतलब यहाँ पर these are not absolute laws कि आपके ऊपर applicable ही होंगे. Then how are principles of management derived? In a laboratory, the experience of managers, experience of customers or propagation of social scientists, it is by the experience of managers. Then principles of management are significant because they help in increasing efficiency, initiative, optimum utilization of resources, adaptation to changing technology. बाकी तीनों चीज़ें ठीक हैं लेकिन the correct answer, best answer will here be in increase in efficiency. Okay, then which of the following, because अगर आप उसको अपने organization में apply करते हो तो the management efficiency will be improved. Then which of the following is not a principle of scientific management given by Taylor? Science not a rule of thumb है. Maximum not restricted output is there, harmony not discord is there, but functional foremanship is not there. Then the principle through which Henry Fayol points out the danger and cost of unnecessary labor turnover. लेबर भाग भाग के चले जाते हैं, तो कौन सा प्रिंसिपल है जो इस चीज़ को पॉइंट आउट करता है? दैट इज स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ टेन्योर, दैट शुड बी देयर. Then a supervisor of the production department needs to communicate with the supervisor of the sales department urgently. इस facility के लिए what he should establish? Is it a scalar change? That is the authority responsibility relationship, unity of command, no, direct communication or gangplank. So the correct answer is direct communication. Then Ram and Rajan have similar qualifications and perform the same types of jobs in the organization, but they are paid different salaries. So name the principle of Henry Fayol that is violated here. It will be order, remuneration, centralization. No, it is equity, where for the same task the person is given डिफरेंट मनी रेम्यूनरेशन, और ये रेम्यूनरेशन क्यों नहीं होगा, क्योंकि वहाँ पे फेयर जॉब्स की बात होती है, एफर्ट को रिवॉर्ड करने की बात होती है। इक्विटी मतलब होता है कि आप भेदभाव नहीं करोगे, फेवरेटिज्म नहीं लेकर आओगे। देन मेंटल रिवोल्यूशन कॉल्स फॉर चेंज इन द मेंटल एटीट्यूड ऑन द पार्ट ऑफ बोथ मैनेजमेंट एंड वर्कर्स, बार्गेनिंग between management and workers, no higher wages, no none of the above, no. Okay, then the principle of spirit de corps, उसका मतलब क्या होता है, तो just because कि it is considered as teamwork, तो एकता में अनेकता या फिर unity is strength, ठीक. Then which principle of management states that there should be a place for everything and everything should be at its place, so it is known as ऑर्डर, दैट इज़ मटीरियल. इस यहाँ पर जो बात हुई है वो हुई है सोशल मटीरियल ऑर्डर की. जब आप राइट प्लेस फॉर एवरी पर्सन एंड एवरी पर्सन एट इट्स राइट प्लेस की बात करोगे तो इट विल बी मटीरियल एज वेल एज सोशल ऑर्डर. ओके, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ डिविजन ऑफ वर्क इज बेस्ट डिस्क्राइब्ड बाय work should be divided into small elements, workers should be divided into groups, resources should be divided among jobs, it leads to specialization. तो the correct answer, because best describe की बात की गई है, तो it will be work should be divided into small elements, और ये जो है ये इसका रिजल्ट है, ठीक. इसको इस नाम से भी बुलाते हैं बट इट विल लीड टू स्पेशलाइजेशन, यहाँ पर इसका रिजल्ट है या उसका आउटकम है, इसीलिए इट विल बी वर्क शुड बी डिवाइडेड इनटू स्मॉल एलिमेंट्स. Then one of the principles of scientific management is science not the rule of thumb, मतलब कि अगर आपको कोई भी काम करना है साइंटिफिक नेचर का तो इट शुड ऑलवेज बी यूज्ड विद स्पेसिफिक मेजरमेंट्स. ऐसे ही जो सपोज़ करो कि एक स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट होनी चाहिए, सपोज़ करो पेन है तो आपने देखा होगा कि अक्सर जो पेन होते हैं वो इसी साइज़ के ही होते हैं. अगर मतलब इट विल नॉट बी टू बिग इनफ कि कहीं पे आपने देखा हो कि 4 कंपनी 4 अलग अलग साइजेस के पेन बना रही, नो, वो एक स्पेसिफिक मेजरमेंट्स होता है. इसका बेसिक एग्जांपल हो गए बॉटल के कैप्स होते हैं तो वो एक दूसरे में फिट हो जाते हैं, पेन के कैप्स एक दूसरे में फिट हो जाते हैं, दैट इज़ उसको एक स्टैंडर्ड मेजरमेंट से बनाया जाता है. Then the last question, who is considered as a father of scientific management, so it is F.W. Taylor. Henry Fayol is considered as a father of administrative or general management. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope this much you all have understood. कॉन्सेप्ट्स आपके क्लियर हो गए होंगे काफ़ी हद तक. तो धीरे धीरे वील बी सॉल्विंग मोर सच MCQs, थोड़े से ईजी नेचर के, देन वील मूव टूवर्ड्स द डिफिकल्ट वंस. टिल देन कीप प्रिपेयरिंग. बेस्ट विशेस. थैंक यू.